Create a promotion banner like this one using Canva. It's simple with just a few steps. Open Canva and type Pinterest in the search bar to choose correct dimensions. Change the color for the background to a color that follows your brand. Upload your product photo and center it in the design. To keep it focused, you can use Canva's background remover tool under Edit Image to remove the original background. Then go to Elements, search for a circle shape and place it around the product. Adjust the circle size and color to create a clean look. From the Elements section, choose a rectangle shape. Place it at the top, changing the color and adding sale text. Place other additional text on the image to share more information about the promotion. Adjust the font size and color to follow the design style. Then create a call to action button by adding a rectangle from Elements, changing its color, and placing Shop Now text inside it. This encourages clicks. A final touch of animation to the whole banner will help attract more viewers. Once satisfied with your design, click Download to save the video and image in high resolution.